How you doing? Welcome back. Our project at hand today is to create this, but carved out nice and 3D like. Something I've never done before. So we're going to find out if I can do it. Hopefully I can. Chances are if you're watching the video, it might have turned out okay. Okay, so I'm going to be using one of these to very aggressively take out my frustration. I mean, carve out the outline on each side, and then we'll deal with the back. I might take that out with a saw just to get all that mass of wood out there and not try to do it with this baby. Anyway, let's plug it in and hopefully not lose a finger. All right, remember, safety third. Well, as you can see, I am carving away here. It doesn't take long with this little wheel of death. And in case you're interested, that's actually from Harbor Freight. I was too cheap to get the expensive ones off of Amazon. But anyway, it does a good job. You just got to be careful. Well, as you can tell, that thing really creates a mess. And if you keep it level like that, you keep the sawdust shooting off to the side. I did make the mistake of turning that handle down and shooting myself in the face with sawdust, and well, let's just say that's not fun. Needless to say, I had a really big mess to clean up when all this was done. Carve this ginormous chunk out. Oh, great, you guys are on the extension cord. God dadgum, guys, get off that. All right, let's. Let's try some of that. I would like to take a moment to bring awareness to tool maintenance. It's important you change those blades. But luckily, Mr. Circular Saw got the job done. Now, some people may be wondering what kind of wood this is, and this is a chunk of canary wood that I got in cantonment. Is it cantonment? Cantonment? I don't know. I don't live there. Anyway, you may have noticed that now I'm on the other side. Well, that's due to the miracle of editing. So all I really plan to do today is what you see here. Just, get the outline, get it cut out, get it ground down so I could start working on it. And I just got to this last section and my brain said, I wonder what it would look like if you did this. And of course, once you do one side, you got to do them all. So yeah, I jumped down that rabbit hole and just went to town. And now I'm on the other side, because, it's my video. I'm going to do what I want. So, yeah. And here I am on the other side, I guess. Yeah, my video. Like I said, do what I want. So, one of the most annoying things while making a video is when somebody walks in the middle of the shot and just messes it up, but, here it comes. You ready? Watch, this guy puts his head right in the shot. Watch this. Chuck wagon. Ta-da! Yeah, it's not done. I know. Well, do you think I was going to finish it in one day? I've got things to do. But, yeah, I'm happy where it's at. And a lot of work left to do, but it's a good start. So, hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for part 2.